In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your Barclaycard in the Barclays app. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your card ready to use in just a few minutes. Before we start, make sure you have your physical card handy and a stable internet connection. This process is quick, secure, and all done inside the official Barclays or Barclaycard app. First, open the Barclays or the Barclaycard app and log into your account. Use your usual details or your device's biometric login if you have it set up. If you have both apps, either one works for activation. The steps are the same. If you haven't used the app in a while, it's a good idea to make sure it's up to date so everything looks familiar and runs smoothly. Once you're on the home screen, look for your new card. It may show a prompt or a small label indicating it's new. If you have more than one card, choose the one that matches your new plastic. The app typically displays the last few digits, which can help you pick the right one. Next, tap Activate Card. This option is usually front and center on the card's overview, but it can also appear within the card details. Tapping it starts a short, guided flow designed to confirm you're the card holder and to securely enable your card for use. When prompted, enter the 3-digit security code, also known as the CVV, from the back of your card. This is the small number printed on the signature strip. Take a moment to double check you're entering those 3 digits accurately. For your security, never share this code outside the official app or with anyone who contacts you unexpectedly. After that, simply follow the on-screen prompts to confirm and complete the activation. Depending on your settings, the app may ask you to confirm with your passcode or your fingerprint or face recognition. Just continue through each screen until you see the confirmation message. And that's it, your Barclaycard is now activated and ready to use. You can begin making purchases in store and online right away, subject to your account settings. If you don't see an Activate Card option, there's a chance your card is already active, so look for a confirmation banner on the card page. If something doesn't look right, a quick app refresh or signing out and back in can help the app update. Thanks for following along. With these simple steps, activating your Barclaycard in the Barclays app is fast, secure, and stress-free.